Good day to you, sir, madam. My name is Maria Salvacion A. Balawag, 23 years old. I am an undergraduate of midwifery and married. Since I am already a mother and I have 2 children, I know how to take good care of our children. And I know how to do the household chores. Like washing clothes, ironing, cleaning the house, and cooking.
Okay, good day to you, Miss Maria Salvacion. How are you today?
Sir, madam, I'm fine.
Okay, so what do you think are the right attitude and characteristics of a good domestic helper?
Being a domestic helper, you need to be an honest, loyal, responsible, and trustworthy.
So since you're a first-timer, how will you avoid your homesickness?
I will do a household chores and just make myself busy.
Okay, so Miss Maria Salvacion, can you sing a song for your employer's children?
Sir, madam, yes, sure. An itchy bitchy spider went out the water spout. Down came the rain and washed the spider out. Out came the sun and dry up all the rain. So the itchy bitchy spider went out the spout again.
Okay, so can you tell us the proper way on how to take care of the children?
Taking good care of our children, you need to feed them nutritious food, play with them, tutor them, love them as my own children.
Okay, what if you committed a mistake and the employer scolds you? What will you do?
Sir, madam, I will say sorry and promise not to do it again.
Okay, what is your last message or promise to your employer?
Sir, madam, please do hire me because I really need this job for my family. I promise to do my duties and responsibilities and promise to finish my 2 years contract with you.
Thank you, Miss Maria Salvacion, and hope to see you soon in Singapore.
Thank you, sir, madam.